नमस्कार। गैलेक्सी ऑफ स्टार्स में मैं दिव्या दत्ता एक बार फिर से आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ। दोस्तों, जो मुझे फीडबैक मिला है आपका, उससे तो यही पता चलता है कि आपको हमारा प्रोग्राम बेहद पसंद आया है। बस इसी तरह से हमें प्यार करते रहिए और अपने प्यारे से सुझाव हमें भेजते रहिए। और अब हम बात करते हैं हमारे आज के मेहमान के बारे में। सितारों से सितारों तक, ख्वाबों से ख्वाबों तक, एक सितारा आसमां से चुराकर जमीन से उठाकर आपके लिए लाए हैं। और ये जो सितारा है, ये एक उम्दा कलाकार तो है ही, बल्कि बहुत ही प्यारी सी, बहुत ही अच्छी सी इंसान भी है। आइए मिलते हैं कुनिका से। वेलकम टू द शो कुनिका।
थैंक यू दिव्या।
अच्छा, ये बताइए, आपके 2 भाई हैं, 2 बहनें, सो आई थिंक इट्स अ पार्टी एट होम।
यस
राइट, एब्सोल्युटली। लेकिन मैंने सुना है कि वो बहुत नटखट हैं, बहुत शरारती हैं, एंड दे रियली पुल यू अप। ये क्या है, क्यों है, व्हाट इज इट अबाउट यू?
दरअसल बचपन से मैं उनकी मम्मी की तरह रही हूँ। आई मीन आई ऑलवेज ट्रीटेड देम माय ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स लाइक माय चिल्ड्रन इवन नाउ।
ओके।
So they've always got away with murder with me, and then I was the one who used to also always answer to my parents कि नहीं 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 वो ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. Actually, you know, I would be always covering up for them.
तो बिगड़ तो नहीं गए थे भाई बहन?
नहीं
ऐसा
नहीं
तो
नहीं. I think my family is amazing, and they're all are standing on their own feet. Nobody ever did drugs. Nobody ever did chori chakari. So I
But
think.
they did something which was like, okay, let's listen from that.
We used to play pranks on her. I remember even when we made halwa once and we threw it up onto the wall, it got stuck up there because we didn't know how to make it. And my father came back after his vacation, and for our bad luck or whatever, the damn thing fell on his head and he's bald. And she covered up for all of us. So I remember Qutub Minar when we all went to see Qutub Minar. We actually ripped Kunika's pants
I'm going to kill him.
back so that she could not go anywhere, and we guys would have all the fun.
There was one particular time when I had a cold and I blew my nose in a tissue and I wrapped it up really well, and I went up and told her, listen, you know, mom, send these pearls for you to check out. So she said, okay, and you know, very sweetly she walked up, picked up her glasses, wore them, and then opened the tissue very carefully and looked at it, and of course it was not pearls, and so there was one of those things, and of course I keep doing these things with her, with her driving, which is, I always tell her, you know, she needs to probably buy a car which is automatic, and because she does the gears a favor by changing.
Oh my God.
मतलब एक गियर चलता है तो वही लगा रहता है।
You know, I'm going to kill my brother and
Vishal
sister
Black shall
finally
help
after
you?
bringing them up. You know, my father always says whenever I'm driving,
हाँ.
he'll say, my pet name is Tootsie, so he says,
टुत्सी।
yeah.
ये क्यों पड़ा नाम?
ये डस्टिन हॉफमैन के पिक्चर से पहले पढ़ा.
अच्छा, okay.
Because there's my teeth were very small. In fact, I still haven't. My milk teeth have still not fallen out.
क्या
so,
बात
yeah.
कर रही हैं आप?
So my mother called me Tootsie because I had small teeth.
Okay.
So my dad always says, you know, Tootsie, the car is yours. If you change the gear, it'll really help. You know, he's always like, he says, can you drive the car like it belongs to you? And in America, my husband has given me an automatic BMW, so I don't need to change the gears.
Okay, all right. So your husband's in America.
Yeah, he's in USA.
तो मतलब आप आती जाती रहती हैं?
हाँ, ऐसा ही कुछ है. जब तक चल रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
आगे आगे देखिए.
Absolutely.
अल्लाह मालिक है.
जी बिल्कुल। अच्छा, ये हलवे की क्या स्टोरी थी?
When it was made and they tasted it,
नहीं
तो किसी को पसंद नहीं आया. So they started taking the spoon and doing splat on the one. And I'm saying, stop it! Mummy was in a ladies' club meeting. My father's being in the Air Force, you know. So mom was in the ladies' club. Dad had gone to work, and I said, stop it! And you know, I cleaned up everything, but I forgot that there was one on the ceiling, one splat on the ceiling, which my dad came and he walked in and he's taking off his belt and he's taking off his stripe, and suddenly, pat करके the
फिल्मी सीन एकदम।
एकदम।
क्या टाइमिंग? एंड क्या बोला उन्होंने? चखा?
No, my dad was like a big Hitler. No. He said, what is this? And then I had to obviously give answer about the situation because I'm the oldest in the family.
Okay, तो ये कहाँ से आया कि कई बार तो मैं बड़ी हूँ लेकिन मेरा भाई मुझे छोटा ट्रीट करता है, मतलब he thinks I'm the younger sister. But ये कैसे फीलिंग आया कि I am answerable इन सब भाई बहनों के लिए, मुझे इनको प्रोटेक्ट करना है, या because जो हम अभी मैंने सुना आपके भाई बहनों को, they have a lot to say about you as being a mother figure. तो ये कहाँ से आया फीलिंग?
Yeah, actually, I think it's ingrained in my personality, and I mother everybody.
So is that because of the defense background you have कि खुद में ही ऐसा हुआ?
I think घर में, you know, we had a very cosmopolitan upbringing. My dad was from the south. His father was Oxford educated. He was a PhD in chemistry from Oxford. My mother was from Punjab and Scottish a mix of Punjab and Scotland.
ये क्या अच्छा okay.
My mother's mother was Scottish and mother's
Okay.
father was Lahori Punjabi.
Acha.
And so, you know, there's a very cosmopolitan blend. So my mother somehow tried to put the Indian tradition so that we don't go haywire. So she always, you know, we celebrated all the festivals. And we, on the altar, we had all the gods there. So it was like, you know, all ingrained into our upbringing.
Kabir and Sonika have
Yeah.
something else to say for you.
Kunika was more like a mother to all of us. My father was in the forces. He was out most of the time. My mother was also out of the country with him. She actually brought us up in the sense that she was a sister. Obviously, she was an elder sister to all of us. But there was this mother thing which came to her at a very young age. Obviously, when she must have been 14 or so, and she was actually looking after all of us. Our food, our clothes, our books, everything. That Kunika was looking after everything.
As far as I'm concerned, since I'm the youngest, she's always been. I always considered her my mother. In fact, in school, when somebody asked me, you know, what's your mother's name, I would say Kunika. I mean, her pet name is Tutsi, but I would always say it's Tutsi or Kunika. I never took my mom's name because my basically, you know, she would get me dressed for school and. You know, give us all these yummies to eat through the day, and basically, as you said, she's a mother figure. You know, so that's how she's always been.
How come मैं फिर से सवाल करूंगी, मुझे उसका जवाब नहीं मिला अभी तक कि ये कैसे आया कि जो मम्मी ने करना था वो आपने किया?
मैं अपनी मम्मी को भी मदर करती हूँ.
So
और
who
पहले
mothers
से-
you then?
Yeah, actually now it's
Yeah.
high time somebody did that to me. And you know something strange?
Tell me.
I've mothered my men also in my
What
life.
are you saying?
So yeah, it's just I think in my last life I must have I must have had an unfulfilled motherhood or something like that. That's what the only answer.
So
can
I
find.
think फिर आपकी personality ऐसी है कि everybody likes to depend on you.
Yeah.
she's
actually,
there.
Yes.
तो इतने जो strong personalities होती हैं, उनके अंदर एक vulnerable कहीं ना कहीं वो
बहुत.
छुपा होता है. So who do you show it to?
There are times when I really feel very down and out, and I just go to the altar and tell God, अब देख तूने मुझे ये problem दी है ना, अब तू ही solve करेगा, तू हिम्मत भी देगा मुझे, you know. So it's like that.
So मतलब सीधा God पे.
सीधा भगवान.
No mere mortals.
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But yeah, there are a couple of friends and my family. I mean, my family is my emotional support.
Absolutely.
Yeah, family and friends also. I've had very good friends in my life. I'm
Okay.
very rich with good friends.
Okay, all right. And one of your friends is saying something to you.
The best thing which I have never ever forgotten Kunika for is she had this Delphi makeup kit जो उस वक्त करीबन 5,000 का आता था. And मैं इतना तो नहीं पैसे कमा रही थी उस वक्त. I had one day told her, I said, one day when I have money, I will buy this makeup kit for myself. Right now I was just carrying in my normal vanity whatever little makeup I had. 1, 2, 3, 4 महीने 5-6 महीने निकल गए उस बात को. And one day arbitrarily she gets my number from somewhere. She calls me up. She says, Achint. I said, हाँ Kunika, how are you? She says, Acha, listen babes, I went to America. I picked up a nice vanity for myself. So I just thought, why not? I'll give you the Delphi. And she sent it across that very evening, you know, with a little cute note. And I mean, I don't forget it because I was not her friend. I hadn't spent time with her otherwise. Nothing. हम काम भी नहीं कर रहे थे. And 6-7 months down the line, she just remembered. And the first person she might have thought of her, yeah, Achint had once said she wanted a Delphi and she sent it to me. And Kunika used it all along. And there was a friend of mine who was also looking for a makeup kit. She didn't have the money, so I gave it to her.
What makes you such a sensitive person?
Why have you brought me here to make me cry?
It'll make you laugh as well. This is your show.
You know, as I said, I'm very rich with friends. Look at her. I mean, how many people remember things like that? It's
How many people would remember कि किसी को कुछ अच्छा लगा था और मैं दे दूँ? And she was not also a friend that time. कहाँ से इतनी sensitivity आई? कहाँ से इतना लोगों के लिए वो आया? When you know, आजकल की life में you're so busy with your own selves.
I never considered myself a person like whether it was my fame, my money, my home. I never considered anything my own. I always feel that if God has given me a position, if God has given me the looks, if God has given me brains, it is to do something in this world for everybody because I'm what should I say, an instrument. I always considered myself that.
An instrument.
Yes, an instrument to give love, to give peace, to give happiness. So,
You got all that love back.
Yes, can you imagine? And you've shown, I mean, I don't know whether if I was not on this show, probably I would never hear all these
Okay,
things.
I will organize for a tissue paper because जो अभी आने वाला है, then again you'll cry.
Oh my God,
There's
I
a
think
very
we need a
sweet
box
message for
here.
you. Let's have a look. There's one of your very sweet friends जो आपके लिए कुछ कह रही
न जाने कौन सी बात तुझ में ऐसी है, न जाने कौन सी बात तुझ में ऐसी है, दिल खींचा जाता है हर एक का तेरी जानिब। दोस्ती कहते हैं किसे कोई सीखे तुमसे, दोस्ती कहते हैं किसे कोई सीखे तुमसे, वफा होती है क्या ये भी जाने तुमसे। दोस्ती प्यार मोहब्बत और कुर्बानी, दोस्ती प्यार मोहब्बत और कुर्बानी, जब मिले साथ तो बनी कुनिका रानी।
कुनिका रानी।
Sweet. Yeah, she calls me Kunika Rani.
कितनी दोस्त हैं आपकी? बहुत सारी, ढेर सारी।
Actually, अगर देखा जाए तो एक मतलब once I was going to have a party and I said let's call my friends. So Sabia and I were making a list. And from 50 it became 200, then 200 and 300. She says, यार ये क्या है यार? इतने सारे दोस्त हैं तुम्हारे? I mean even my acquaintances I'm pretty close to,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
I'll know what's happening, like बच्चों के साथ क्या हो रहा है. So I mean I hate talking about myself like this.
तो कुनिका रानी से हम कुछ और बातें करेंगे, लेकिन एक छोटे ब्रेक के बाद। Welcome back to the Galaxy of Stars. हम बात कर रहे हैं कुनिका से. So Kunika, we know you're a great friend. Yes. Now I need to know something about you as yourself. ये बताइए आप फिल्मों में कैसे आ गए?
I came to Bombay. I was actually fighting a custody battle for my child in Delhi, and it was very painful. And I had to leave the city because the doctors recommended that I'm going to go crazy over here, living in the same city, not being able to
Delhi
see
में?
my child. Yeah, in Delhi.
Okay.
So I came to Bombay with a letter saying in Taj to get an interview for a front office personnel. And on the flight, I met Asrani Saab. Asrani Saab was, I was a big fan of his. So I sent a note through the air hostess that, can you please tell him I want to talk to him? So he called me up in the business class section. And I said, sir, I'm a big fan of yours. And I'm also a big fan of your wife because she has just recently started a series called Kashmakash.
Yeah.
He said, why don't you call her and tell her yourself? She'll be very happy. So he gave the number. So that was really a lucky thing because we know, being in the film industry, we always give one digit wrong with people who we know. And so he gave me the number. I called her up, and while talking on the phone, she said, I'd like to meet you. I said, yeah, but I've got a 4 o'clock appointment with Taj. She said, come before that. So I went around about 11:30 to her place, sat with her while having coffee. So I used to talk like this. अभी तो कम हो गया.
अच्छा, बहुत extracurricular, yeah.
Because मैं भरतनाट्यम dancer थी. I used
अच्छा.
to learn Bharatnatyam.
Okay.
So she asked me, would you like to do an episode in my series? I said, yeah, sure, but how come? She said, because I'm looking for somebody without an image. And so I did 2 episodes with her.
तो पहला जो किरदार था वो क्या था?
It was about of a courtesan.
अच्छा, तो पहले से ही आपको एक ग्लैमरस इमेज मिल गया था. समथिंग व्हिच इज अटैच्ड टू यू इज ग्लैमर. Absolutely, ये शुरू से ही था. कश्मकश से ही था.
And Rama Vij and Sudhir Pandey were the other stars, and they're very good actors. So I was like very nervous, but everything went off smoothly.
और फिर उसके बाद सिलसिला चलता गया.
मतलब struggle तो चलता है.
बट यू वर मिस दिल्ली ना?
Yes, I was.
तो
Miss
ये
Delhi.
कब शादी से पहले था?
ये शादी से पहले.
तो फिर उसके बाद मिस दिल्ली होने के बाद कभी नहीं सोचा कि मॉडलिंग हो या
हाँ,
सीधा
फिर
straight
when
on?
my first marriage broke,
हाँ.
then I was modeling and with Komal GB Singh and Shamali Verma would be the choreographer
अच्छा.
and things like that. I
Okay.
did that for some time in Delhi while I was fighting this
Okay.
custody and all that.
Lot of ups and downs in life.
That's fun, no?
Yeah.
If life is a straight road, then even if you're on a drive and you're going on one straight road, you tend to fall asleep. So I think this roller coaster ride always helps.
मतलब कमाल की पॉजिटिव थिंकर हैं. So that's nice. That smile says a lot about it.
Thank you.
Yes. So now what? अभी अमेरिका में सेटल हो कि यहाँ पर because you're so busy here. So how कैसा?
Actually, this is my second marriage, and I was married 5 years back. And when I moved to America, I really thought that I'm going to make this new life for myself of a housewife and mother and everything. But it took me a long time to wean myself off India, and I think in 4 years I realized I could not. And I always, everything I'd see in America, like I'd see food wasted, or I'd see and say, oh God, you know, in India,
वहाँ पे यार
ऐसे हो रहा है और ये ऐसा है. And then my husband, of course, kept telling me, you can make a bigger difference if you live in America. But my soul was not happy. And it was not about acting, please. Because a lot of people say, oh, actress kabhi settle nahi ho sakti, actress kabhi nahi ho sakti. You know,
a lot of people say that.
yeah, and it really pisses
Yeah,
me
yeah.
off, because I think actresses make a bigger, they make bigger adjustments, and they try harder. And I think it's just that दूसरों का नजरिया ऐसा होता है, and they're always giving them negative feedback. You know, it was about my soul being in India. And so now I'm trying that, you know, in 2 years' time, probably I'll move there in the to the States, or somewhere which is closer to the States, so that my child gets more of his father.
Yes, yes, absolutely. काम पर वापस आते हैं. ये बताइए, आपने 2 एल्बम्स बनाई, राइट?
जी.
भरतनाट्यम डांसर हैं आप, बेहतरीन अदाकारा हैं. What next? What all?
बहुत अच्छी कुक हूँ, कभी आपको घर पे बुलाऊंगी.
अरे प्लीज.
खाना पकाने का मुझे और खिलाने का बहुत शौक है.
So what is it that is your speciality खाने में?
I can make French, Chinese, Mughlai, Italian, any kind of food.
I'm
I
your
just-
guest. Tell me when.
I can just cook anything. I love cooking.
Tell me कुनेका, फिल्म आपने कितनी सारी फिल्में की? आपने बोला 97?
97 yeah.
फिल्में
In
की.
18 years.
In 18 years. which
12
is
or
like,
13 series.
बिल्कुल. So how has it been in the industry? Because लोग बहुत वेरी रहते हैं इंडस्ट्री में आने के लिए, and they always take the step, very careful step, कि इससे बात करूं, मैं हंसूं तो वो ऐसा सोचेगा, मैं कुछ ऐसा करूं. You had this tag of being very glamorous, so I think और भी ज़्यादा मुश्किल रहा होगा आपके लिए. So how has the journey been for you?
मैंने सबसे पहले जिन लोगों का दिमाग इतनी रत्ती भर का हो, उनके बारे में मैंने फिक्र करना छोड़ दिया.
ये सही है.
Pea-brained people I don't bother about. And then I decided, who are the people who really make a difference in my life?
नो हम जहाँ काम करते
हाँ.
हैं, यहाँ जाते हैं जहाँ काम करने, वो कई बार आपको बहुत ही डिफेंसिव होना पड़ता है, या आप ऐसे बन जाते हैं, even if the atmosphere is not like that.
I do not allow anybody the right to change my personality or my character. If you are behaving like an idiot, then you can be happy behaving like that. I'm not going to turn around and behave like something different because you are behaving like an idiot. I will still be the same person with a lot of love and affection and a lot of fun. I'll still hug people. After I hug the guy might turn and देखा and all. ऐसा होता है, मुझे मालूम है. फिर मैं पीठ पलट के देखती हूँ, मैं बोलती हूँ
अच्छा, खुश है.
हाँ, खुश है, चलो.
Okay.
So I've never bothered about that. And I learned this from people like Amrita Singh, Farah Khan. And then the men also start treating you like buddies. And most of the men who are known to be these, lechi kind of actors and all, when people see me with them, they say, yeah, तेरे साथ ऐसे कैसे कर? मैं कहा, मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. We are just laughing and joking and backstage. Then they always say, ये तो अपना बिड़ू है, अपना बिड़ू है. They talk like that, you know. So I think it's how you project yourself. Because if you go around and say, ha, 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 then people are going to think that you're welcoming flirtation or whatever.
Okay. How's Kitty Party for you?
Kitty Party was good fun. I really was dreading working with a lot of women together, and I thought it was going to be a lot of fireworks. But you know, amazingly, it was not, because most of the women in that series were very sensible and intelligent people and evolved people. So it was good.
अभी एल्बम और बनाने का कुछ?
हाँ, actually, मैंने 2 pop album बनाए थे.
Okay.
And while I was making the second one and doing my touring of the second album, the first one did not do too well. It was not publicized well, and whatever reasons, I don't want to blame it on anybody. Second one did okay. It was better than the first one and sold a lot more than the first one sold. But I realized when I was doing this touring that I'm not the pop scene kind of person, like, you know, showing my midriff and a short top and dancing and singing on the track, and all. I can't do that. So I'd rather get into playback singing or doing ghazals or some light. I like Shobha Mudgal's kind of music, you know.
मुझे कुछ सुनना है.
हाँ.
हाँ. कुछ हल्का सा.
Oh God. अली मोरे अंगना दरस दिखा दम, अली मोरे अंगना दरस दिखा, इश्क में तेरे जोगन बन गई, इश्क में तेरे जोगन बन गई, दिल मेरा डोले, छम छम बोले पायलिया, मोरी पायलिया रे, अली मोरे अंगना दरस दिखा. It's not the right note, but
It's a very tough song, honestly. मैं जब भी शुभा मुद्गल का ये गाना सुनती हूँ, मुझे लगता है ये कहाँ तक नोट जा रहा है. You've really taken it.
no, she's an amazing singer. I want to sing songs like that.
That's lovely.
Sufism or ghazals or playback is my forte. I hope before I die, you will be interviewing me as a playback singer also.
It's a long way to go. You've got so much to do. Your director saying something for you. सुने क्या कह रही हैं?
Very focused. You know, it looks when she performs, you feel, oh, it just comes. But actually, she does her homework a lot. Before she comes on set, on her own, she's doing it. You know, on set, she may be laughing or whatever, but she has done her homework. She's very focused. She's there.
ये क्या मतलब आप करके आती है होमवर्क और फिर लोगों को नहीं मालूम पड़ता कि होमवर्क करके आए हैं?
नहीं मैं में कोई सीक्रेट नहीं है। मैं आते ही पहले स्क्रिप्ट मंगा लेती हूँ कि भैया क्या बोलना है, कितने सीन्स हैं, तो पूरा बंच पकड़ा देते हैं आपको, मैडम आज 21 सीन करने हैं।
हाँ।
And then I'm always scribbling, तुम क्या समझ के रखा है मुझे, रेखा समझ के रखा है। So something like that always happens with the assistant and madam ऐसे करके वो चले जाते हैं। फिर while the makeup is going on, I keep reading it and
then you are relaxed.
Yeah. My only problem is that I don't stick to the words that the writer's written, and then I always call up the writer and say, sorry, please. No, madam, it's okay. But I do it in my own words.
Okay.
And I give the right cues.
तो आप लिखती भी हैं?
But generally, I write my thoughts down. That's probably where I see her a badmash. I think that's where I'll bring out all my feelings. Yeah.
Okay. So are you going to publish all that? Make a diary out of it? And
I
maybe-
have a title for a book, but I don't know if anybody's going to be ready to publish it. It's called Unwritten Letters and Unspoken Words.
That's beautiful. That's really beautiful. ये मेरे को बताइए, मैंने सुना है कि you're doing a lot for the disabled and you're doing a lot for AIDS. ये जो आपकी side है जो लोगों को नहीं मालूम, and I keep hearing a lot. Otherwise, इधर से. What is it?
I'm actually not doing a lot because whatever I'm doing is just a drop in what actually has to be done, you know.
Yeah.
And
There's no end to that.
Yeah,
but
there's
then,
no end
yes.
to, and I'm just trying to work. Like for 10 years, I've been working with an organization called PHO.
Okay.
Dr. Gilada is the head of the organization, and Datsab is the president of the organization. It is the one that is really actually reaching out to people with AIDS, spreading AIDS awareness, whether it's in villages, in jails, we've been all over the country with this, and even the red light areas, improving their status, improving the conditions. Regarding my disabled work, with disabled or challenged people rather, I've made a talk show recently which I wanted to produce and direct. I mean,
You anchored it.
I anchored it myself because of 10 years of my experience, I realized that people who got challenges in life, physical or mental, they are bigger heroes than us. We have everything going for us, and then we still cry. आज बाई नहीं आई, आज ये नहीं हुआ, और एक बैंक में सिर्फ 2 लाख रुपए पड़े हैं, things like that.
छोटी problems.
So these are ये छोटी problems
मतलब
को
हमारी
लेके,
problems,
हाँ,
absolutely.
और इनकी जो बड़ी problems है कि यहाँ से एक glass भी उठाना है तो वो कितनी बड़ी problem होती है. They have to think, negotiate the move every second, every minute of the day. And then dependability is something which makes you so irritated with yourself. They are dependable on somebody or the other, like they have to always depend कि कोई हमको उठा के bathroom ले जाएगा. So I made a talk show and that really changed my life a lot.
So much you're doing for all this, and being God's special child is very special to a lot of other people. तो देखें वो क्या कह रहे हैं आपके लिए.
I love you, baby. You're the best thing that happened to me. I love you. You're a friend for the family. You're a friend forever, and you'll always be friends till I live.
You're absolutely lovely. You're a brilliant person, and I will never say this again to you on your face, but I think I really, really admire you and I love you a lot.
I love you, Kunika.
Mama, I love you.
अरे बाबा रे. That was the sweetest I must say. आपने हमारा तारुफ नहीं करा अपने बेटे से. इतनी
That is-
sweetly बोल रहा है, I love you, Mama.
That is my little son, my little gift that God has given me.
Okay. What do you call that little gift?
Karan.
Karan.
He's Karan, and he is from my past life. I always tell my sister sometimes, I said, I think he was my lover in my last life, because he'll look at me when I walk in, and if I tell my meri yaar chai pila de, badi thak gayi hu, I'll lie on the bed and he'll come and press my feet because
my
he'll
God.
remember that 20 minutes back mom said she's tired. I have an older son too who's 21 years old.
Okay.
So, and he
So
lives in
life
Delhi.
is complete.
Yes, it's complete, yes.
That's lovely. खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. So Kunika, thanks so much for being on our show, and I really wish you always remain God's special child. Thank you so
Thank
much for being on the show.
Thank you, Divya.
So we shall see you next week again with yet another star on your favorite show, The Galaxy of Stars. Till then.